Now, polynomial graphs. How to draw the graphs? First one, introduction. What is the characteristic of y equal to value mx? What is the characteristic of y equal to mx and y equal to value mx plus c? So, already we know that. Write the characteristic of y equal to value mx. What is the characteristic of y equal to mx? Y equal to mx is a straight line. Y equal to mx is always passes through the origin point. If m is positive, m means slope. If m is positive, then the line lies in coordinate 1 and coordinate 3. If m is negative, slope is negative, then the line passes through, lies in coordinate 2 and coordinate 4. Check once y equal to value x, y equal to 2x, y equal to value minus x, y equal to value minus 2x. Y equal to x means 1x, 1 means positive value, y equal to x is also positive value. Y equal to minus 1x, y equal to minus 1x means slope is value negative, y equal to minus 2x means y, that is also slope is value minus 2, that means negative. Then find out the ordered pairs. X value 0, y value also 0, x value 1, y value also 1, x equal to value minus 1, y value also minus 1, because of y equal to value x. Here y equal to value 2x, y equal to x means x value 0, y value 0, 2 into 0, 0, x value 1, 2 into 1, 2 ones 2, y value 2, x equal to minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, so y value minus 2. So 0, 0, 1 comma 2 and minus 1 comma minus 2, that is the ordered pairs. Here y equal value minus x, that means minus 1x, x value 0, y value also 0, x value 1, y value also minus 1, 1 no minus 1 before, x value minus 1, the minus of minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, that means 0, 0, 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, that is the ordered pairs of y equal value minus x. Y equal to minus 2x, x value 0, 0 into minus 2 equal to value 0, x value 1, 1 means minus 2 into 1 means minus 2, x value minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 2 ones 2, so here plus 2. So 0, 0, 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2. First to draw the x-axis, take the graph sheet. And here it is x-axis, horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Here on x-axis, right side is positive values and left side is negative values. On y-axis, here it is value positive values, upper part and down part is negative values. Both are intersecting at origin point, that is 0, 0. Here scale on x-axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 cm equal to value 1 unit. All these values are put in a mark in graph sheet and draw the straight lines. For example, first one 0, 0. Here 0, 0. Where that is 0, 0? That is the origin point. Origin. 1, 1. No. First take 1, 1. 1, 1 on x-axis 1 and y-axis value 1. 1, 1. And next value minus 1, minus 1. First value x value, next value y coordinate value. Minus 1 comma minus 1, this value, and these points join with the scale with the straight and draw the straight line. Draw the straight line, joining these points. Here it is value y equal to value x. Next mark the y equal to value 2x points. 0, 0, 0, 0 is this point, and 1 comma 2. X value 1, y value 2. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Next, minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 is x-axis, minus 1 and minus 2. Here is the values. And join these 3 points. Join these points, the straight line name is y equal to value 2x. So observe carefully, it is a straight y equal to value mx. Y equal to mx is a straight line. It is always passes through the origin point. If m is positive, it is lies in coordinate 1 and coordinate 3. Coordinate 1 and coordinate 3. So mark the points y equal to value minus on the graph sheet. 0, 0 is the origin point. Next 1 comma minus 1. 1 no minus 1. 1 is on x-axis, minus 1 is on y-axis. 1 comma minus 1. That point. Next value minus 1 comma 1. minus 1 is on x-axis, 1 is on y-axis. That is a third coordinate value here. Second coordinate. Join these 3 points with the scale. Join these points, it is a value y equal value minus x straight line. And next, mark the points on graph sheet y equal value minus 2x. 0, 0, 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma 2. 0, 0 is value 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. 1 is on x-axis, minus 2 is on y-axis. 1 comma minus 2. And next, minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2. And join these 3 points with the scale value minus 2x. So, m is negative, it lies in coordinate 2 and coordinate 4. m is positive, it lies in coordinate 1 and coordinate 3. These are all a straight line, it is always passes through the origin point. Write the characteristics of y equal mx plus c. Write the characteristics of y equal mx plus c. y equal mx plus c is a straight line. y equal mx plus c is a straight line. y equal mx plus c is not passes through the origin point. It is not passes through the origin point. y equal mx plus c intersect on y-axis at 0 comma c. y equal mx plus c is intersect on y-axis at 0 comma c. m is slope and c is the y-intercept of y equal mx plus c. y equal to value mx plus c type of graphs. Here y equal to value mx plus c, x plus 2. So x value 0, y value 2. X value 1, 1 plus 2 equal to value 3. X equal to value minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 equal to value plus 1. So 0 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 1. So here 0 comma 2, 0, 2. 0 comma 2 is on y-axis. 0 comma 2 is on y-axis. 1 comma 3, 1, 3, 1, 3 value. And minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1. Join these 3 points with the scale, draw the straight line. It is a value what that y equal to value x plus 2. Where the midpoint on y-axis 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2. So y equal to mx plus c is intersect on y-axis at 0 comma c. Here where the mid on y-axis 0 comma 2. It is a straight line. It is not passes through the origin point. Y equal to value 2x plus 5. It is one of the straight line. X value 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. X value 1. 2 ones 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equal to value 7. X value 1, y value 7. X value minus 1. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 plus 5 equal to value 3. Y value 3. Minus 1 comma 3. First 0 comma 5. X value 0. 5 on y-axis and 1 comma 7, 1, 7, 1 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 and 3. These 3 points join the straight line with the scale and draw the line. Draw the straight line with the scale passing through the 3 points. It is valued that y equal to value 2x plus 5. And next graph, what is that y equal to value 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. X value 0, 3 into 0, 0 minus 1. X value 1, 3 into 1, 3 1 3, 3 minus 1 equal to value 2 y value. X value minus 1, 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1 value what is that? Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. So 0 comma minus 1, 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. Next 1 comma 2, 1, 2. And next minus 1, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4. Join these 3 points with the scale. It is what is the straight line? It is a value y equal to value 3x minus 1. It is a straight line. It is not passes through the origin point. It is intersect on y-axis at 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma c plus value what is that? Minus 1. 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1. So it is the properties of y equal to value mx plus c. X of y equal to value mx square. Y equal to mx square is a parabola. It's where first it is symmetric on y-axis, it is symmetric on x-axis, positive direction and negative direction. So I explain clearly. Now, write the characteristics of y equal to mx square. Y equal to mx square is a parabola. It is symmetric on y-axis. If m is positive, that means m greater than 0 is symmetric about positive y-axis and lies q1 and q3, coordinate 1 and coordinate 2. If m is negative, that means m less than 0 is symmetric about negative y-axis. It is symmetric about the negative y-axis and lies q3 and q4. Like the y equal to value mx square, m means value 1, so mx square. For example, x comma y, 0 comma 0, x value 0, y value also 0, x value 1, y value 1, x value 2, 2 square means value 4, x value minus 1 whole square equal to value plus 1, x value minus 2 whole square equal to value, result y equal to value 4. So 0, 0, 1, comma 1, 2, comma 4, minus 1, comma 1, minus 2, comma 4. These points are marked on graph sheet and joined with a smooth curve. So 0, comma 0 is the origin point, 1, comma 1 is the first coordinate, and 2, comma 4 is also first coordinate, 2, comma 4. 2 is on x-axis, 4 is on y-axis, 2, comma 4. And next value, minus 1, comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 and 1, and minus 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4. These points are joined with a smooth curve. So here join this type of and produce. Here what is this? Y equal to value x square. It is a parabola. It is symmetric on y-axis, positive direction because m is value positive. So it is lies in coordinate 1 and coordinate 2. Coordinate 1 and coordinate 2. And next one y equal to value minus x square. Minus x square, negative value is there. M is less than 0. So x value 0, y value also 0. X value 1, 1 square equal to value 1, before value minus 1. X value 2 square equal to value 4. Before value equal to minus 4. X equal to value minus 1 whole square equal to value plus 1, before value negative, so minus 1. X value minus 2 whole square equal to value plus 4, before minus 4. 0, 0, 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 4, minus 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 4. These points are also quoted on the graph sheet and joined with a smooth curve. So 0 comma 0 is the origin and 2 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 comma minus 4, 2 is x value, minus 4 is y value, like this. Minus 1 comma minus 1, and next minus 2 comma minus 4, minus 2 comma minus 4. These points are also joined into smooth curve. But it is y equal to value minus x square. It is also parabola. It is passes through the origin point. It is symmetric on y-axis negative direction because m is value negative. It is lies in coordinate 3 and coordinate 4. The characteristic of y x equal to value my square. What is the characteristic of x equal to value my square? X equal to my square is a parabola. It is symmetric on x-axis. If m is positive, that means m is greater than 0, it is symmetric about the positive x-axis and it lies in q1 and q4. q1 and q4. If m is negative, m is negative means m less than 0. It is symmetric about symmetric negative x-axis and it lies q2 and q3. q2 and q3. X equal to value my square is passes through origin. That is also y equal to value my square is also passes through origin. Y equal to value mx square, x equal to value my square is all are passes through the origin. Equal to value y square means 1y square. 1 means positive value. So here x value For here directly we take the y values. Y equal to 0. 0 square means x equal to 0. Y equal to value 1. Y equal to value 1 means 1 square means x equal to value 1. Y equal to value minus 1. Here we will take that y values. Y value minus 1. Y equal to value minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means value plus 1. Y equal to 2. 2 square equal to value 4. And y equal to value minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means plus 4. So these values 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, and 4, minus 2. These points are plotted on the graph sheet and join into smooth curve. 0, 0. 0, 0 is origin point. 1, 1. 1, 1. X value 1, y value 1. 1, 1. 1, minus 1. 1, minus 1. 1 x value minus 1 is y value. 1, minus 1. And 4, 2. 4, 2. 4, 2. And next 4, minus 2. 4 minus 2 value. These points are joined into smooth curve. So it is value x equal to value y square, x equal to value y square, x equal to value my square. It is a symmetric x-axis in positive direction, m is value positive. It is passes through origin point, it lies in coordinate 1 and coordinate 4. And next one x equal to value minus y square, x equal to value minus y square means it is negative. Y value is taken, first one 0, y value 0, x value also 0. Y value 1, 1 square means value minus 1. Y value minus 2, y value minus 1. Minus 1 whole square means value. Minus 1 whole square means value plus 1. Before negative is there, so minus 1. Y value 2 and 2 square equal to 4. Before negative, so minus 4. Y value minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means value plus 4. Before negative value is there, so x value minus 4. So 0, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2. These points are also folded on the graph sheet. 0, 0 is the origin point, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. And next, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Both are negatives in third coordinate. And 4, minus 4, 2. Minus 4, 2. Minus 4, 2. And minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4, minus 2. It's the value. This. And these points are also joined with the smooth curve and what is this? X equal to value minus y square. It is a y equal to value mx, x equal to value my square, x equal to value my square. M is a negative, it lies in coordinate 2 and coordinate 3. Coordinate 2 and coordinate 3. It is symmetric about the negative x-axis, negative x-axis. It is also passes through the origin point. Draw the graph of the polynomial, draw the graph of the given polynomial and find the zeros, just to have answer. First one given what is that polynomial? P of x equal x square minus x minus 12. X square minus x minus 12. So x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X square quotient a, x square quotient value 1, a equal to 1. X quotient value plus b, x quotient value minus 1, b equal to minus 1. C plus c is equal to minus 12. So a, b, c. What is it? X equal to value minus b plus r minus square, b square minus 4ac by 2a. We know that this formula. These values are substituted in this formula and simplified. So x equal to value minus b value minus 1, minus or minus 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 whole square minus 4ac, 2 into 1 into minus 12 by 2 into 1. Here minus b value minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a and value 1, c and value minus 12 by 2 into 1. So simplify it. Minus into minus plus 1. Square root of minus 1 whole square means plus 1 plus 48 by 2. Let's simplify that. Then 4 x value 4 comma minus 3. X value at that 4 comma minus 3. These two values are substituted in this table. So p of x equal to value x square minus x minus 12. So x equal to value minus 3 and 4. Minus 3 and 4 is the roots of the zeros of the polynomial. So minus 3 and 4 including these remaining values also. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here x square value and next minus x minus 12. These totally simplification is equal to value y. These three values simplification is equal to value y. So x square minus 3 whole square means 9. Minus 2 whole square means 4. Minus 1 whole square means value 1. 0 square equal to value 0. X value is these values. X square value is these. So 1 square equal to 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square value 16. And minus x value these. With multiplied by x value minus into minus plus 3, minus into minus plus 2, minus into minus plus 1, minus into 0, 0, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into 2, minus 2, x values into multiplied by negative value. So minus 3, minus 4. Then all values adding minus 12, minus 12, minus 12 up to last minus 12, minus 12, minus 12. So add these three values is equal to value y. Add these three values is equal to y. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 12 is equal to value minus 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 12, the value minus 10. 0, 0, minus 12, minus 12. 1 minus 1, 0. So remaining value minus 12. Minus 12 minus 2, minus 14 plus 4, the value minus 10. Minus 12 minus 3, minus 15 plus 9, value minus 6. Minus 12 minus 4, minus 16 plus 16, the value 0. So what is that? Zeros of the polynomial minus 3 value 0 and 4 value 0. So y coordinate value 0. Minus 3, y value 0, minus 3 comma 0, x value minus 2, y value minus 6, minus 2 comma 6, minus 1 comma minus 10, minus 1 comma, value what is that? Minus 10, minus 1 comma minus 10, and 0 comma minus 12, 1 comma minus 12, 2 comma minus 10, 3 comma minus 6, 4 comma 0. These points are plotted on the graph sheet and joined with the smooth curve, then it gives the parabola x square minus x minus 12. Now draw the graph. It is x-axis, horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. So scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to value 1 unit. So here it is 1 unit, x-axis on y-axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So first these points are marked on the graph sheet. First one minus 3 comma 0. Where that minus 3 on x-axis, 0 is there. So minus 3 comma 0. Next value minus 2 comma 6. Minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6 here. Minus 2 minus 6. And minus 1 comma minus 10. Minus 1 and minus 10. Okay. Next 0 comma minus 12. 0 comma minus 12. 0 and minus 12. And next 1 comma minus 12. 1 minus 12. And next 2 comma minus 10. 2 comma minus 10. Value. Next 3 comma minus 6. 3 and minus 6. And next 4 comma 0. So these points are joined, these points are plotted on the graph sheet and joined into smooth curve. Joined into points. Joined into smooth curve. Extend here. So it is y equal to value, what is it? x square minus x minus 12. This graph is meets on x-axis minus 3 comma 4. These are the zeros of the polynomial. So these points on the graph sheet and join with the smooth curve, then it gives a parabola y equal to value x square minus x minus 12. Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. So observe the graph. Observe the graph. The parabola meets on x-axis minus 3 comma 4, minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. So solution set is equal to minus 3 comma 4. Draw the graph of the given polynomial. P of x equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to value 0. A value 1, B value minus 6 and C equal to value 9. So what is the formula? X equal to minus B plus or minus equal to B square minus 4AC by 2A. These values are substituted in this formula and simplifying. Here values. So here root of 36 minus 36 value 0. Root 0 means 0. So 6 plus 0 by 2 comma 6 minus 0 by 2 plus or minus here. So 6 by 2 comma 6 by 2, that means 3 comma 3. That means what that roots are real and equal. B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Then the roots are real and equal. B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. Roots are real and distinct. Less than 0 means imaginary. Here roots are real and equal. So y equal to value. Draw the table. Y equal to value x square minus 6x plus 9. So x values you will take that. What is the roots? Zeros of the 3. So 3 is including in this table. So negative values are not there. So minus 1, starting with the minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1 whole square means value plus 1. 0 square means 0. 1 square 1. 4, 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. Minus 6 with multiplied by x. Minus 6 with multiplied by x. What is that? Minus 6 into minus 1. The value plus 6. Minus 6 into 0, 0. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. Minus 6 into 3, 18. Minus 6 into 4, minus 24. So 9 is constant. All values adding 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Add 3 values is equal to y. X square minus 6x plus 9. Add 3 values is equal to y. Add 3 values, x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to y. These 3 values, these are y values. It is x values. So x comma y minus 1 comma 16, 0 comma 9, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0 and 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. Draw the graph. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y-axis equal to value 1 centimeter equal to 2 units as your convenient. So here I will take that one on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So 0, 1, 2, 3 on y-axis here 1 unit, and on y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8, 2 units 1 centimeter equal to. So these points are marked on graph sheet. Minus 1 comma 16, minus 1. 16, minus 1 to 16. Okay, 0 comma 9. 0 to 9. 9 means 8 to 9, 8 to 10 between 0, 9. Next 1 comma 4. 1, 4. Next 2, 1. 2, 1 means 0 to between value. 2, 1. Next 3, 0. 3, 0. Next 4, 1. 4, 1. Like that. 4, 1. These points are folded on the graph sheet, already folded, and join with the smooth curve. Join with the smooth curve. What is this y equal to value? X square minus 6x plus 9. So it is a parabola. It is intersect on y and x axis at only one point because the roots are real and equal. So these points are bolted on the graph sheet and joined with the smooth curve. Then it gives the parabola y equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. And next, observe the graph. Observe the graph. The parabola meets on x-axis at only one point. So roots are real and equal. At where that point 3, 0. Therefore, solution set is equal to value set 3. Set 3 means only one point means roots are real and equal. It is also draw the graph of p of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. X square minus 4x plus 5. It is comparing with x square plus bx plus equal to 0. A value 1, b value x quotient value what is that? Minus 4, c value 5, c constant value c equal to value 5. So what is the roots formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then these values are substituted in this formula and find out that minus b value minus 4 plus or minus b square minus 4 whole square minus 4ac by 2 into a, and simplify it. 4 plus or minus 16 minus 20 by 2 minus here 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 20 equal to value minus 4. So minus 4 square root value what is that? 2i, that is imaginary roots. There is no negative values. 4 square root value 2. But here minus 4 square root value what is that? 2i, that is means imaginary roots. There is no roots. So that draw that graph. Here first prepare the table. P of x equal to value y is equal to value x square minus 4x plus 5. X values we don't know. Here there is no real roots. No roots are there. So we'll take our decision. So minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. So simplify this. First x square value minus 4x 5. So simplify this value. These three values adding is equal to value y. So simplify this. X comma y minus 2 comma 17 and minus 1 comma 10 0 comma 5 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Here first to prepare that table graph sheet. So it is on x-axis, it is y-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, as your convenient. So scale is our convenient. So here take the graph sheet. And these points are marked on graph sheet. These points are marked on graph sheet. What is that? Minus 2 comma 17. Minus 2 comma 17. 17. Here 16, 17, 18 between value. Minus 2 comma 17. Minus 1 comma 10. Minus 1, 10. And next 0 comma 5. 0, 5. Okay, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Next 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 here. Next here prepare these 3 also. 3. Here 3 also. 3 square means value 9. Minus 3 into 12 minus 12. Minus 4 into 3 value minus 12. 5 is adding. 5 plus 9 value 14. 14 minus 12 value 2. So 3 comma 2. So mark 3 comma 2. 3, 2. Here these points are joined with a smooth curve. So like this. It is value y equal to value x square minus 4x plus 5. It is a parabola. These points are marked on graph sheet and joined with the smooth curve. Then it gives a parabola y equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. So observe the graph. Observe the graph. The parabola does not meet x-axis. Observe the graph. The parabola does not meet x-axis. So the roots are imaginary. So solution set. What is that solution set? There is no, that means imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. So there is no values. Plus bx plus c. How to draw the graph parabola? The parabola meets the x-axis at 2 points. Parabola meets the x-axis only 1 point. parabola does not meet the x-axis. When it is, how it is possible? So first one, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. In that time, the parabola meets x-axis 2 points. b square minus 4ac discriminant is equal to value 0, then the roots are real and equal. So that in that time, the parabola meets x-axis at only 1 point. b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then that means roots are imaginary. In that time, the parabola does not meet the x-axis. Plus bx plus c is the quadratic equation. b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Roots are real and distant. Real and distant means if a greater than 0 means upwards. So the graph meets x-axis at 2 points. So 2 roots are there. And a less than 0 means downwards. The graph is a parabola downwards. So the graph the parabola meets x-axis at 2 points. b square minus 4ac is the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So that is equal to 0 means roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. In that time, the parabola meets x-axis at only 1 point. Equation discriminant value b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means roots are imaginary. Imaginary means in the time the parabola does not meet the x-axis. So there is no roots.